I'm Ken Walsh. I'm the Assistant Dean in the Samueli School of Engineering, and we're here today at the Winter Design Review for the School of Engineering. This is an opportunity for students who've been working on their senior capstone projects to show their results to industry and to really show off their work.
Hi, my name is Candy Hernandez. Here we have the MK32 burner that's used in hot air balloons. We're studying the combustion efficiency and the emissions from this burner.
Our aim is to explore the effects of vibrational stabilization and benefits of flapping wing flight over fixed and rotary wings for small-scale applications.
And we are presenting to you our handheld laser spectral blood flow index device.
There's a whole host of projects today. We've got students who are trying to produce a can-sized satellite that they can get out to the edge of space. We've got students who are working on the Hyper-Excite program to develop a module that can be used by SpaceX. There's just a wide range from self-driving cars to all kinds of environmental projects. It really covers the whole spectrum.
Hi, my name is Jason Lee. I'm the Chief Engineer for Hyper-Excite. And for those of you that aren't familiar with the Hyperloop project, basically it's a vacuum tube and a high-speed train going from LA to SF in under 30 minutes.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Jacinto, and I have here an SC detector. It's a low-cost portable diagnostic device for the detection of HIV.
The capstone project is a practice-like project, so they get a chance to practice being engineers, and we bring people from industry so they can really see what our engineering students can do. Well, thanks very much and best of luck. When do you launch it? Visions without collisions, magic sleeve.
Thank you.
It's astonishing what these guys can do, and what we really like to see is our students being able to be ready for work on their first day and to get out there and change society. I think you can see the kinds of work they can do, the kind of excitement that they'll bring to it, and we know that the engineering requirements of the future are in really good hands.